Do you have a spare room, a cozy cabin, or a unique rental property sitting empty? Did you know you can turn it into a source of income? Today, let's explore how to make money with Booking.com. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to Booking.com partner and create a free listing for your property. This involves providing details like location, type of property, amenities offered, and photos. High-quality photos are crucial to attract guests. Step 2. Set your rates and availability. Decide on your pricing strategy. Booking.com offers different options like a flat rate or seasonal pricing. Be sure to update your availability calendar regularly to avoid double bookings. Step 3. Manage your listing and guest. Booking.com allows you to communicate with potential guests through the platform. Respond promptly to inquiries and be clear about your house rules. Once they book, manage your booking calendar and ensure a smooth check-in and check-out process. Earning with Booking.com. Booking.com works on a commission system. This means you earn a percentage on each booking made through the platform. Bonus tip. Aim for positive guest reviews. Happy guests can lead to Superhost status. Superhosts get perks like increased visibility on Booking.com, potentially attracting more bookings. Here's the wrap-up. Success takes time and effort. Building a positive reputation requires consistent hospitality and excellent guest service. Stay competitive. Research similar listings in your area to set fair and competitive rates. Maintain your space. Keep your property clean, comfortable, and well-maintained for happy guests. By following these steps and providing a fantastic guest experience, you can turn your spare space into a source of income with Booking.com. Happy hosting. Follow the video description box and find ways to earn more money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If there's any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.